Hi, Brian, ZL3XDJ. Here we are in the shack, and just a short video this evening. Something slightly different, but we've just been reading a few emails from radio operators in the United Kingdom, and they've been referring to some of the changes that might occur over there. One of them is they may be able to use 1,000 watts, 1 kilowatt amplifiers in the future. And I've never actually used an amplifier myself. I did have a lot of QRP gear originally, and I still have now. And the main rig, the TS480HX, runs 200 watts. But normally in the past, I've tried to improve the antenna system, and that's why at the moment I've ended up with this experimental 3-element vertical array firing long path, which is just basically 3 cheap painting poles in a parasitic configuration that was was actually mentioned in one of my previous videos. It cost about $9, and that's what I've done for the last 38 years being in the hobby. I've always swayed away from running more power, sometimes putting more power into the clouds sometimes instead of where you want it to go, and concentrated on the antenna system to try and instead of just keep racking up the power and getting big amplifiers, etc. So this evening, the band conditions this week haven't been brilliant. It's middle of the summer northern hemisphere, so I don't expect great things, but we just thought, since the band conditions have been pretty poor, we'd have a bit of a change and bring out the big guns. Bring out the big guns this evening. So here we are. This is the, as I said, the Kenwood TS480HX 200 watts version, and let's just shut that down and let's concentrate on this wee little fellow. This is the QCX Mini, which is a 5-watt CW transceiver on 20 meters, and I thought instead of going big guns with more power, we'll go the opposite. We'll go down to 5 watts and see if we can actually still work the X with 5 watts. Yeah, people are maybe thinking that if you want to work the X, you need a big amplifier. But let's see what we can do with 5 watts there, and